For triple bike, M-bar is the most comfortable handlebar. But if you want to install a phone holder on it and other accessories, you will find it not so comfortable because of the limited space on the curb area. By the way, this bike belongs to my wife. Previously, I used a camera ball head, but it's taking too much space. So I searched for other mounts online and I found this one. A GoPro mount aluminum alloy that can be mounted on the handlebar using the clip bolt. Then I matched with Ulanzi Hummingbird quick release system. This can be GoPro mount or quarter-inch mount. This mount fits exactly on Brompton. But for 360 you need a little bit of modification. You need to file until you match the thickness on the gap, or actually it should be smaller than the gap on the bolt clip. Here I use caliper in order to get the correct measurement. Before you do filing, measure the handlebar clip gap first. Then it should be at least 0.5 mm smaller than the gap, so that you will still be able to tighten the handlebar clip to secure the handlebar. Okay, now it's time to install. Please remember your handlebar angle position because it might change or move once you take out the clip bolt. This is the Ulanzi Hummingbird that I mentioned. This is nice quick release system from Ulanzi. It's light, small, and steady. Okay, now let's begin to install the GoPro mount. First, we remove the handlebar clip bolt. Then we install the aluminum GoPro mount into the handlebar clip gap. Then we insert back the clip bolt. Then tighten it well until you get the correct tightness to clamp the handlebar and the GoPro mount. Okay, I think it's already tight. No more movement. Okay, no more. It's okay now. Okay, now we're going to install the Ulanzi Hummingbird. This can be GoPro mount or quarter-inch mount. But for this, we can only use the GoPro mount. Then we will use the insert of the Ulanzi Hummingbird to mount our universal phone holder using the quarter-inch mount. Okay, now we are almost done. Now we are going to secure with thumb screw, so it will be easier to change the angle. Next, we are going to install the universal phone holder. We will just attach the insert of the Ulanzi Hummingbird into the back of the universal phone holder. This Ulanzi Hummingbird quick release system comes with mini screwdriver that you can attach to your keychain. Okay, we are going to try now. Easy, easy. Okay, let's try to put Galaxy S21 Ultra. By the way, this also can fit on S22, 23, 24 Ultra, and also iPhone 12 to iPhone 15 Pro Max. We already tested. It can hold nicely. Because we have a better phone holder now, so we can take out this existing one. Mami, ito na, tingnan mo. Di ba? May makakapaglagay ka ng ano dito, ng bottle.